even I got the Baraita feeling from him. But later on, when I analyzed the case, so that his reaction, I found it in a proper channel. I did not find the Baraita element in his history. So I did not give him Baraita. One second.
Then Tarantula Cuban, sir.
Tarantula, speedy remedy, sir. Definitely speedy remedy.
Cubans is somewhat melodious, slow, no?
Hmm. But that cunningness and manipulativeness is missing in the history. Yes, it is there.
In the history, did you find more of shyness, or did you find there's more of timidity? Was there, or more of shyness?
Timidity, sir. Timidity. He is timid also, and he's kind of ashamed, not exactly shy. If he's wearing good clothes, then he's fine.
So, was there any anxiety when he has to make his point in front of people?
No, sir, there was no anxiety. I did not notice any anxiety. He was talking confidently. No anxiety.
Okay, so Baraita will be ruled out then.
Baraita is ruled out, sir. I gave him phosphorus 201 dose. And TSH jumped to 10.33. So I think this report is somewhere lacking or missing. I don't know. So after giving phosphorus, his TSH jumped. So now what is to be done? Should I increase the potency? Should I repeat the same dose?
Wait.
Should we wait?
Wait.
How about ATPO?
I think wait and watch, sir.
Anti-TPO, I asked him to check, but this fellow is very careless. He did not check anti-TPO. Only TSH he checked. So what is the action recommended now?
After fast, what are the symptoms he got, sir?
After
Phosphorus. What are the symptoms he had?
Nothing, sir. He actually was asymptomatic when we checked the TSH. He only checked the TSH because he is a regular blood donor. So he checked in the laboratory because he was having slight weakness or whatever he is having his doubt. So nothing, no change after phosphorus, but TSH slightly increased.
This
So
report
what
was
about his
after how
other
many
complaints?
months? This report of TSH, was it after how many months did he test?
After next
10
month,
point.
phosphorus given and next month checked.
Okay, 30 days you had waited.
30 days.
Approximately.
30 days. Usually I check in 30 days.
So what about his other complaints, sir? Acidity, knee pain.
Other complaints were same. But those complaints are not of much value. These are only for our understanding, not crepitus means slight kabhi kabar in a while he will get, not much intense. So what is to be done now?
There was any changes in his income, or did he become more successful, or did he become more positive in his outlook in this month for the follow-up when he had come?
No change, sir. No change in his outlook. Nothing happened. So, sir, the thing is, what I was thinking at that time, I took the rubric as embarrassed feeling, which was right from the childhood till date. So that was the genetic rubric which I thought it would be. But the pathology of autoimmunity is not covering embarrassed feeling, although it is there in his system. But pathology is not covering the embarrassed feeling. It is the pathology is here and embarrassed feeling is here. There is a lot of gap. The syphilis is still there. So I was thinking, where is the problem? I asked him कि यार तुमने केस ढंग से नहीं दिया है, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है और कुछ भी और भी तो हुआ होगा उस समय जब थायराइड प्रॉब्लम हुई तुमको. I asked and asked and asked. No other extra information he revealed. So now what should we do now?
In autoimmune disease, there should be an autoimmune thought process in the mind.
Yes, definitely.
So there should be something, sir.
So what is that?
See,
Where-
embarrassed would be more of a psychotic rubric, or looked down
Yes,
upon or despised would be more of a syphilitic rubric. So
Yes,
what
sir.
I feel we should go deeper.
So should we increase the potency or repeat the same dose or wait or change?
Change the rubric.
Change the rubric. क्या हुआ? Got stuck. So I chose to change the remedy. So I reanalyze the case again. Now think about the history which this patient gave. Where is the syphilis in this history? So this person wants to create his own identity by doing a business of reputation. His self-image is distorted according to his own perception. Nobody has ever commented him ever. Now what is the rubric? This is delusion identity error of. Isn't it? He does not want to be recognized as a person who is doing this particular kind of job. He is feeling that I should be recognized as a person of a high value, a person who is having a high status. That is why in the
But
school,
he is complaints actually from the childhood onwards he is facing this, no sir?
yes sir, definitely. But there was a chance where when there was an opportunity through which he could be able to change his job. He could have labeled himself as a person owning a blood bank. That opportunity was lost. He was looking for some identity. He wanted some recognition as if he is a rich person, a person of high status. And because of that only he started that blood bank business. But that business failed. And that was the thing that disturbed his thyroid, because uh, he was looking for an identity, and that identity will come from that blood bank, and that thing got disturbed, and after that he went into thyroid disorder. So is this the correct rubric? Again, I'm asking, delusion identity error of, yes or no?
I am not satisfied with this rubric, sir,
Okay.
because according to me, he was suppressed from by his father. He need everything from the childhood onwards.
Mm-hmm.
Identity is coming now only.
Mm-hmm.
This thyroid, this kind of hypothyroidism, autoimmunity, I think it will come from the childhood onwards.
Sir, what this person is wanting a social recognition, and for that, in the childhood, nothing matters, because that social recognition comes from father. When you are growing old, that time you are working and you are developing some kind of social recognition. So this person, when he is in a such type of circle where people are all of certain status, and he is getting constantly embarrassed that he is doing a job of he is standing there in the lorry, and he is making tea and selling all snacks and breakfast items. So imagine the thought process of this person, that if somebody known from his circle comes, and so the amount of embarrassment is too much for this person. And when he is going in a social setting, he will never reveal that he is doing such he's working in a small breakfast lorry ka business. He will always say that I am doing like this, so I am with my brother who is doing a catering ka business or a bakery business. So that is his thinking process, that he does not want to be recognized as this profession. He wants to be recognized by some another profession. That is why in the school also, if the teacher asked him, what are you doing for admission purpose also, he said, I am doing the job of a catering. I have a catering business, because there is no status. He feels that there is no status of a person who is working in a lorry, who is standing on the road with a lorry. So that the society, what the society will think about him, that was more important for him. So people should think good about him. So my people are not thinking like this. It is only his thinking. He is thinking that everybody is looking at me in a negative angle, at a negative angle. And what is that negative angle? So they are thinking as if I'm a person who is having a low standard, so that his identity is getting disturbed inside somewhere. That is what I thought. So is it right, or something else is also possible? There could be another rubric also.
Sir, this hereditary error might be because of his poverty, no, sir. Because from childhood he was under poverty.
Yes.
So obviously a poor person will have a, desire to become rich or get standard of living.
Yes, sir.
taken into.
Everyone will have. But what is important is, if someone is getting the opportunity, suppose if you are having a bag of gold, you are having that, and you get a news that you will be getting, but after that you have all sorts of fancies, all sorts of things you imagine, and suddenly you get a news that no, it will not be provided. So that is the hurting point. So this is what happened here. So he wanted to be recognized as a person, or as a owner of blood bank, as a person of repute. So
Okay.
that project got disturbed. After that, he thought that now where is my recognition? How will I be recognized in society? I do not want to be recognized in society as a person who is standing near that lorry on the road. I want to be recognized as a person who is owner of a blood bank. So that
Is
is,
it appreciation?
yes, sir.
Appreciation.
It is way more beyond the appreciation, sir. Appreciation is simply getting praised. Here, there is the matter is beyond that. Everything is resting upon his identity, which the other person should acknowledge. He is feeling that, only he is feeling, no one else is saying. He is feeling that the other person is not recognizing my identity properly. So they are seeing me as a person of low standard, which he thinks he is. But because he's doing this thing, blood donation and all, people are not thinking. People are actually, they are surprised that he's having that lorry thing. And what is important here is, when he came to me, initially he also told me, I am having a catering business. Later on, he said that, sir, actually my business is this. I stand there on the road and I sell tea and breakfast items. So actually, he was hiding his identity. That was,
Delusion high.
yes, sir.
High. Delusion small opposite.
But actually, there was a purpose, sir. His thinking process was, he was hiding because of some purpose. So he did not wanted कि अगर मैं उसको उस एंगल से देखता हूँ, if I am looking at him, I should look as if he is a person of a reputation, or he's having some honor or something he's having. वो कुछ है, as if he's there, कि I am having this one blood bank का business है मेरा, जो भी है, तो he should be recognized according to that. He was feeling that if I tell I am working, I'm doing a small business, that recognition will not come. People will not notice me. So that is why that was the delusion which was there in his mind. So I did not look. Acha, and there another important thing which he said in the case was that I always say that I am working as a catering business. He is not doing, his brother is doing. So the rubric which I took finally was, it is my brother's business of bakery with whom I usually identify myself as when introducing myself to public. So this is delusion, identity, someone else she is. This is the rubric which I took in this case. Delusion, identity, someone else she is. So the whole thing was hiding himself, hiding his real thing, and projecting something else. This was the whole thing which he was doing in the case, and in his whole life also he was trying to do like this. So when he gets that blood bank business, that time the other thing which he was doing, he was trying to hide. So he was trying to manipulate the whole world that he is doing such small business. Okay, and in order to overcome that feeling that he's having that small business, he was trying to build up a blood bank business, that nobody should come to know that he's such a small or a poor guy. So that is delusion, identity, someone else she is. Alumina, cannabis indica, cannabis sativa, gelsemium, lachesis, moschus, phosphorus, plumbum. So here phosphorus is also mentioned. The syphilis, phosphorus was there also, and here also phosphorus is there, but phosphorus was not the correct remedy. So now here, fast speed, extroverted, non-diligent, he gives service to the temple also. So what could be the remedy here? what could be the remedy here?
Alumina, sir.
Alumina is, sir, slow. We need a fast remedy.
Lachesis.
Lachesis, somebody said.
In my opinion, cannabis, indica,
Yes, sir.
plus
Cannabis group.
cannabis group, moscas are the fast remedies.
Mhm. But Moscas is all the more very hysterical.
No,
Cannabis,
the fast remedies.
yes, sir. Fast
Cannabis,
remedy.
moscas are snake group.
Fast remedies. So nobody asked why I wrote here gives service to the temple.
The cannabis only, sir. Then.
Why I have written here gives service in the temple. See, he was always telling me that I give service to the temple. I asked him what kind of temple you are giving services to. So he said, sir, there is a Kal Bhairav ka temple. There I am giving services. Who is that personality that will be attracted to such temples?
Snake group only, sir.
Snake group, definitely. Tight collar sensitivity was there in this patient. So Ophidia group.
Lachesis.
I gave him Naja 201 dose. All the more, he was very mild in nature, chilly patient. So I did not give Lachesis, I gave him Naja. So his thyroid peroxidase antibody came down to normal. TSH was 10.04. Then after next month, October, 5.14 became normal. Then November, again 4.3, TSH is normal. Then December, again TSH is 4.0, which is normal. So now characteristics of snakes. So snakes are reptiles. They are limbless creatures. They are descendants of lizards, carnivores. Survival is through aggression. Many of the Lachesis, they have fear of lizards. Many of the Ophidia group people, they have fear of lizards. Today only I got a case where this lady, she is having that much fear of lizard that one day her brother, he locked her in the room, and there was a lizard in that. So he thought that might be when she's facing lizards, that fear will go away. But this lady, what she did was, she came out of the window and she jumped from first floor to the ground floor. So that much amount of fear was there in her. So attack is defended aggressively, which prevents feeling of dirtiness and guilt that follows. If threat is continuous, then they will kill without remorse. So they are masters of camouflage. So Ophidia group, they have attention-seeking attitude, hemorrhagic tendency, loquacity, constriction, congestion, and lump feeling in the body. So here, Naja is thirsty and chilly. Lachesis is hot, Naja is chilly. So hair was erect on the right side of vertex. So Naja has a rubric, domination from father, and Naja is rebellious. History of seasonal flu, no other any major illness. Then in childhood, history which he gave, I'll be going very fast. So here, embarrassment, aggravation, ailment from, it is mentioned in Naja. Second rubric which you get is abuse, aggravation, ailment from. The father cites the abuse which he was getting. And then sadness, superfluous feeling with. What is this superfluous feeling? Superfluous feeling is the feeling when you feel that you are unwanted. Unwanted in society, unwanted at home. So this person, as a child, he was feeling that I am a poor guy, so that is why I am not wanted in the society. Self depreciation, all these thoughts nobody was telling him, so these were all his thoughts, so he was self depreciating himself. Then he was having shame about his poverty. Confidence, want of self confidence, self depreciation, children ill. So when he used to wear clothes of his friends, so he was having that confidence that I am rich. And when he was wearing all these shabby clothes, so he was feeling that, see, I am poor, and that confidence used to become very low. So in this, another rubric is meaningless feels. So he used to feel that because I am a poor guy, so nothing matters to me. Society is not counting on me. I don't have any meaning. So nobody will be giving attention to me. Delusion neglected. Delusion wrong suffered, wrong children in. Because I'm a poor guy, and if anybody will say anything to him, his thinking process will go in that direction only, because I'm poor, so they are giving me comment or such and such things. So sensitive to all external impressions. So whatever outside people were saying, so he was very sensitive to what they are saying. So contemptuous of oneself, that is also mentioned in Naja. So this Naja patient is having contempt towards his own self. Naja, mind you, is having is full of all autoimmune rubrics. Naja is highly devalued remedy. All sorts of autoimmune rubrics you will see in Naja. Fancy's exaltation of when he was dressing like a in friends' clothes, rich clothes. So he used to feel Fancy's exaltation of Fancy's vivid, lively. Delusion small, body is smaller. Small, why? Because he was feeling that I am not a person who is having a high worth. So they are people are seeing me as if I am nothing. So delusion enlarged body is when you used to dress up like very in rich clothes. So he was feeling that delusion enlarged. Then fancies. Okay, fine. Yes, anxiety consigns off. So he was helping others. He was having that cheerfulness, ambitious, because he was doing. He wanted to prove himself. He wanted to do something. So delusion, imaginations, rainstorm, she is in a terrible cold carriage turned over hurting her head. Tell me the meaning of this rubric. Delusion, rainstorm, she is in a terrible cold carriage turned over hurting her head. Here, rainstorm means what? There is a situation where a person will be कोई मुसीबत आने वाली है. Rainstorm means some mishappening is about to come. Cold carriage, sorry, uh, cold rainstorm is coming. She is in a terrible cold rainstorm. Cold rainstorm means uh, without any feeling or without uh, uh, I'll try to explain. So this person here in this case, what is he feeling that when I am doing that Lorica business, these municipal people, they will come and suddenly one day they will say that now you have to go. This is not your place to start your business, or whatever you are doing, you have to go. So this is the rainstorm for him. The sudden misfortune which is about to come, that is his feeling. So carriage turned over hurting her head. Head means the business. So his business will be hurt. Carriage means the base on which he is doing his business, or the thing uh, through which he is moving ahead in life. That is called as carriage. So he's feeling that these people, when they come, so they will disturb my business. Someday suddenly they may come and they will disturb my business. So this is carriage turning, and hurting her head means the business will be disturbed. So that misfortune, thinking about that, that is the misfortune for him. So delusion, misfortune, inconsolable over. So here fear reign of. So that rain here signifies कि there are certain things, मुसीबतें जो है suddenly आ रही हैं, that is called as rain. So उन मुसीबतों का fear है नाजा को. Forebodings, he is already thinking कि negatively that some negative event may happen in the future. That is foreboding. Then delusion, starved being. If my business is gone, I will be starving. Delusion, wasting away he is. So he is thinking that what is there in this lorry business, I am wasting my time here. So this is wasting away he is. Wasting away also means that the body is getting wasted. The things are not utilized. Things are unutilized and they are going away. That is also called as wasting. Delusion, injury of being injured by surroundings. So the people who are surrounding me, so they may come and they may disturb the business. Then delusion, rain here again is that the news of people coming and disturbing his business. Delusion, small, identity error of. So the identity error of Naja is, Naja wants to be recognized himself. Naja is what? He is the king cobra. So he wants to be recognized as a king. And if he is being recognized as a beggar, that will be the conflict for Naja. So here the identity conflict of Naja arises because he is being recognized here as a poor person when he wants to be recognized as a rich person. And he has a fear that the society should not treat me as if I am a poor guy. Society should treat me as if I am a rich guy. So there is the identity error of in Naja. Oh, what is this coming? So delusion, okay. So when they decided not to continue with this project, so this is delusion, deceived being. Delusion poisoned his. The whole business proposal, because of one person's selfishness, it was disturbed. So that one person poisoned the whole business. So delusion poisoned he is. So now what situations compels a lady to give birth to Ophidia? Need for revenge, aggression. See, snakes represent guardianship. Outside the temples they are placed. So snakes also represent rebirth. Snakes also represent deception, need for spiritual guidance, awakening, transmutation. So all these, last time I had said that Lachesis is having that affinity for the Kundali. The range of movement of Lachesis is from the base chakra to the Agya chakra. See, those Lachesis who are highly developed, they have this chakra as highly energetic. Those Lachesis who are less developed, they have this chakra as less developed. The intuition sense will be less. So this is about Naja. Thank you all.
Sir, thank you very much. Along with the approach to thyroid, any questions, please?
Sir,
Another
Yes,
3 minutes we have.
one more thing I wanted to say about thyroid. Actually, those slides I forgot to put. Why thyroid developed in human beings? Thyroid developed in human beings because the evolution took place from the aquatic.
Sir, 1 minute, sir, Dr. Verma. Since it's very important, we'll rejoin because it will end in 3 minutes.
I'll put a voice note, sir, in the group.
Okay.
Later on, I'll put
Any
that.
questions?
Yes, questions, please.
Sir, it will be good if we rejoin, sir. So that anybody has doubt, they can ask the doubt.
Okay, we'll rejoin, no problem.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, anybody doubts?
Sir, in autoimmune condition,